guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick grocery haul on what I got. I went to Trader Joe's and Kroger this week, so just wanted to show you guys how a family of two gets through the week. Okay, so starting out with Trader Joe's, I picked up a bunch of produce from there. They always have like pre-cut vegetables and stuff like that makes it super easy. So I picked up the butternut squash because this can be really hard to cut up. But it's super easy, just pop in the oven and have for a dinner side. And then I got a bag of lemons, some sugar snap peas. These are super yummy and easy snack. Some cauliflower, some asparagus to put in the oven. This is super delicious. We love this in our house with some olive oil and garlic and a little bit of cheese. Bananas, some baby spinach for salads, some Honeycrisp apples, also some broccoli I got from Kroger. I also picked up this organic orange strawberry banana juice. It just looked super yummy. And then also their spiced cider is really good. I think it's seasonal, so I try and grab it when I can. I picked up this kombucha. I've actually never had it before. I had a coworker tell me about it, so I'm gonna give that a go. Some avocado, some bell pepper. I got these mini cucumbers. I actually tried these recently and they're really, really good. And then I got some smoked salmon. My husband really loves that. Some pulled beef brisket, just an easy dinner option. Some yogurt for lunches. Some chicken salad for lunches. This I got from Kroger. It's just some caramel dip for the apples that I got. And then I also got some strawberry mochi. They didn't have the chocolate option, which I loved much better, but I got that one instead. I just get some chicken for easy dinner. Pork loin roast, which we haven't had in a while, so I'm going to throw that probably in the crock pot today. I picked up some strawberry cereal bars from Trader Joe's, also some steak. We've been really into steak lately. And then I picked up some frozen meals. These are just for easy lunches on the go to grab for work. I got a sriracha shrimp bowl, which is the same as that one, and then a chicken burrito bowl. We were out of chocolate chips, so I just picked these ones up. Also got some smoked seasoned almonds. I usually get the ones like this from Kroger, but I wanted to kind of try those out. And then the ghost pepper potato chips, which I also thought were seasonal, but every time I've gone to Trader Joe's, they've had these. But they're really, really good. And then I picked up these muffins. We just love to have those for a snack. And also our creamer. So that's everything I got from Trader Joe's and Kroger for this week. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one.